Looking for a reliable and trustworthy auto repair shop in your area? Look no further. Our experienced mechanics use the latest technology and techniques to provide high-quality repairs and maintenance for your vehicle. Now to get this message out. One of the ways to reach out to potential customers is by using Auto Repair Yelp Advertiser, which makes it easier to rank near the top of your prospective customers' search, and you only pay after a customer clicks on the ad. Another way to connect with people in your area who are looking for services like yours is by utilizing Google Local Services ads, which is an indispensable tool. We also offer lead generation campaigns on Facebook, which are great for service-based businesses that want leads from Facebook. Each lead will have a name, email, phone number, and we will write your ad copy. Become the #1 go-to auto repair shop in your town by creating name recognition. Having an attractive logo professionally designed specifically for your auto repair advertising is important for two main reasons. It helps you look like a professional, trustworthy business, and it creates name recognition, both of which amount to more customers. Don't trust your marketing to just anyone. Trust us with your auto repair and maintenance business. Call us today to schedule an appointment.